What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today is go over this exciting day that we had Thursday and then jump into a quick game plan for tomorrow. But man, shout out to the Bears that ran around with that red flag up in the air and represented proudly today, because man, we got that drop that we was looking for yesterday, and we was able to capitalize on it today. We seen that thing coming and we jumped in and we made some money on that. Shout out to you guys in there. Man, a lot of you guys made me proud today just watching how you was getting around and navigating and sniping in, sniping out of plays, jumping back in, respecting certain resistance areas. Man, you guys made me proud. Keep up the good work, keep grinding, and let's keep killing the game. Let's keep dominating this thing. So we're gonna see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow. We got the unemployment report at 8:30. Got a whole bunch of drama at 8:30. By the time the market opened up, we already kind of see what's going on, see if they gave us the big boom or the drop, and we'll handle in real time from that point. Levels will be updated before 9:30 in the morning. Let's go ahead and jump into our first ticker. Will be for the newbies and the beginners. It's INTC. If you see on the day, they had a little roller coaster. Boom, ran it all the way up here and then came all the way back down. Boom, came back down, and these cats stayed up under VWAP the whole time. This was a play, guys. I'm trying to teach you guys, and shout out to, I can't remember who it was that played the tweezer top play today, based off of one of the videos we dropped a couple weeks ago. Made them some money, but this thing is coming down, or right here, you should have known it's coming down. Grab some puts, get down here and make some quick money. But if you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here at 1930 taken out. I got a area of resistance at 1920. They can break through that. Hello, 1885. All right, if you are a bull, you want to see these levels right here at 1960 get taken out. They can take out 1960. You coming up here to 1990, and then they're going to slowly start creeping their way back up. Next ticker up is going to be Palantir. Guys, if you want to see a different ticker, put it in the comments below. The majority win. Whoever has the most of the particular ticker, we'll go ahead and put that in the video and talk about that one on the next drop. Right now, it's Palantir, and we're going to go ahead and cover that one. You see what they did? They boomed it. Boom. Got hit by that white line at 200 EMA, and they just kind of stayed up under it. Then once they rejected off of it, boom, came right back down, hit the VWAP, and kind of stayed at VWAP the rest of the day. If you are a bull, what you want to see, they're currently sitting at 30.20 right now. You want to see 30.50 get taken out. They can take out that. You got these tops over here at 30.75. They can break through that, which is going to be heavy resistance, because you see you got a 10-cent boost right here, but they get smacked back down. What you want to see is this area at 31 get taken out. They can take out 31. They're going to start climbing up to these levels here. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 30.10 get taken out. They can take out 30.10. You got some areas right here at 30 even, and then they're going to start dropping down. I got a level at 29.60. If it drops lower than that, we'll handle in real time tomorrow. Big ballers, shot callers, we ready to throw some crazy plays at you guys. We're going to jump into that high dollar stuff, that Nvidia, right out of the gate. Let's go ahead and see what Nvidia did for us. Pick a direction, stay true to that direction, and once it burn you and it burn past your stop loss or your mind stop loss, a lot of you said, hey Fresh, I didn't put a stop loss on it, I got a mental stop loss. Negative. Don't do that, because that mental stop loss never works. I swear it never works. You think you're going to get out of it. You see the money disappearing. Trust me, I've been there, done that. You see that money disappearing and you think that it's going to come back to your level, and what happens? It keeps going the other way, and you sitting at the end of the day where you was up $500 and now you down the $300 that you put into that play, or you down the $150 that you put in that play. In some cases, you down the $1,000, the $1,500 you put into that play. Man, take it from the people that has been burnt over the years doing that. Don't let it happen to you. Mental stop losses does not work. Doesn't work unless you got a system and you stay true to it. But with Nvidia, as you see, they kind of did the same thing. You see the merry-go-round, the roller coaster. If you are a bull, what you want to see, they're sitting at 106.60 right now. You want to see right here 107.80 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to run it back up to these tops up in here at 109.70. Break through that. I got some resistance at 110.05, and then boom, 111.80. Here we come. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here taken out. 106.30. They break that, they're going to try to shoot their shot back down to 104.70. And if they break that, I have a level down here. Boom, 101.90. They break that again. Hello 90s. We gonna see them. Next ticker up is QQQ. With QQQ, you're sitting at 559.85. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this level right up here at 562.80 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. They're going to run it up here, 465.30, and then the higher stuff. We'll handle in real time once that happens. If you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level right here at 40.60.15 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 457.90, and then they're going to drop that. That's the area that you want to see if you are a bear. Next ticker is going to be Tesla. With Tesla, excuse all the madness on my chart. But again, guys, I got a few messages today. Hey, Fresh, you know, what EMAs should I use? Man, I'm telling you, I'm ready to take the EMAs off my chart, take off all this stuff. You could see stuff so much clearer without having the EMAs on there. And I'm going to prove that you can make money without even having all that noise on your chart. Man, I think I done got so good, and I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but man, I can see this chart right here, and I call them shelf levels. I can pinpoint where we gonna fall off at or we gonna get rejected at. I don't even need the EMAs on here. I can see that's a shelf level right there. That's a shelf level right there. Once it comes there, it's gonna test it and it's gonna shoot back up. And on the retest, if it break it, it's gonna go lower. I'm gonna make a video on shelf levels and teach everybody why I call it shelf levels. Some people may call it break a structure. Fresh call it shelf levels. Potato, tomato, tomato. Call it whatever you want, as long as whenever you able to identify it, you can jump in and make some money. With Tesla, if you are a bear, you want to see 228.35 get taken out. They can take out that level right here. I have another one. They're gonna fall to 225.80. Once they break that one, boom, we coming down to 222. Boom, we coming down to 220.80. Once Tesla start falling like that, we'll handle tomorrow. If you are a bull, you want to see that level right there at 231, let's call it 231.20. They break that. I got some turbulence at 231.95, and then boom, they run into 233.97. A bunch of turbulence in here, and we'll get back to why I have these lines on here. Somebody in the chat explained it perfectly, and man, again, I couldn't even read that better. But right here, once they break through that turbulence, boom, you got a little run up right there. Guys, there you have it with Tesla. Last ticker up, we're gonna go ahead and hit SPY. Guys, if you're in SPY sitting at 549.08. They trying to shoot that shot again. But guys, you see this was a roller coaster ride. You see we boomed it. Boom. They ran it up to 553 this morning. And then what happened? Boom. And I gave, man, SPY is my baby. If I'm a little biased on there and you see me going too hard on there, you got to stop me. You got to say, hey, Fresh, can you throw this one at me and let me get off my horse with SPY. But man, I walked y'all through this SPY play today. We had a level up here. I said, let's see if this bullish run is legit. 553.95 will tell the tale. If they can't break that, they coming back down. And we kept calling it. And what happened? Guys, y'all see a lot of Tiger Woods posts for me. Tiger is my boy. You know, I'm a Tiger nut. So most of my stuff, my hats I wear is from the Tiger Woods collection. My shirts I wear, Tiger Woods collection. Normally it would have the Nike sign on it, but that's the Tiger Woods logo and the TW in the back. But that's my guy. It'll be nice if the Bears can make the 549 attempt. What happened? Boom! Soon as I posted that. What did Spy do? We came down. Tiger Woods, I consider the putt king right there. He's dropping that putt. Boom! And I think that I consider myself the putt king. I don't think it's a person out there in the game that's calling the putts like me. Calls, I give that to everybody else out there. But man, when it comes to that red, I'm all in it. I'm calling those things. We making money on that right there. And that's kind of what we did. I said, hold on to your seats because we break that, we coming down. And what happened? Boom! These are $10,000 days. If you got the right contracts, you can make a lot of money on that right there. Shout out to everybody that was able to catch that play right there and Spy. If you are a bull for tomorrow, we're sitting at 549.15. If you are a bull, you want to see 551.25 get taken out. They can take out that. I got turbulence at 551.80, and then boom, they're going to try to run that thing back up to 555. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right at 548.05 get taken out. And then ultimately you want to see right here, 547.10 get taken out. They can break that right there. We coming down to 545. That's the next level down. Got a little turbulence right in here before bears think about coming down to 543.10 and then lower. Got a couple levels down there of interest to pay attention to, but we'll be all in it if that decides to take that route. All right, guys, I want to cover, somebody mentioned something in the chat, how I go about finding my contracts. It was Redtail 461. And I didn't see this message. When I got the message, somebody had already responded to it. The Wolf. You said you were referring to the options chain for about 50 low risk plays. Can you expand on what you consider low risk? I was ready to shoot it, and man, the Wolf beat me to it. He said, D-Fresh is able to use a small amount of money and sometimes make 600% on a play because he is waiting and targeting A+ trades. He can go out of the money when out of the money has a higher probability of happening. He is timing it with those very accurate surgical red lines on his charts. You see how some of those lines are very close to another. That's choppy price action. But the lines with the huge gaps between them are A+ trade ranges. On your Wolf chart, if y'all never jumped in this Wolf chart, y'all need to jump in that thing. That thing is crazy. I call it a cheat sheet. How dare you don't make money when you got the answers to the test right there. That's how I see it. But if you turn off the supply and demand zones, you have those levels done for you automated. He waits in his EMA VWAP confirmations around the A+ trade ranges and only take the trades when his confirmations are met. Man, shout out to you, Wolf. Couldn't have said it better. You explained that perfectly. And I said, just because you explained it like that, I'm gonna knock one of those low risk plays out of the ballpark for you. And that's exactly what I did. If you look at this one right here, this was Spy. When I told everybody, be careful at that 553, everybody that was in calls, I said, let's see if this is legit. If they get smacked at that 200, they coming back down. That was my entry right there. Once they made that retest and they got smacked, I knew where we were going. I immediately jumped into some puts. I got about 62 of them. I paid about $5 for them. I made $1,000 on this. This is my cash account. I used the margin account with them. I got alert yesterday, PDT alert. If I traded one more time, they were gonna lock me out. But what's good with Moomoo, they allow you to have multiple accounts. I was able to switch about $300 into this account this morning and trade with that and flipped it already $1,000. First trade out of the gate. You see that low risk play, $5 spent, made 1,000 out of it. That's how you do it. And shout out to the homie for giving that explanation. All right, guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, AMD, Palantir, Hut, Hood, go ahead and tap into my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, We're grinding. Good luck, and let's get it. Boom.